Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got all of these Amazon Overstock boxes. And so we're going to be unboxing all 4 of these. Kind of a crazy skinny one here. And so let's see what kind of surprises we have inside these boxes. Alright, so this one actually has a picture on it. I'm guessing that's what's in here. But would it be this big? How big is it supposed to be?
Serves 8 to 12 people. It's a huge pan.
Is this like one of those pans they use for like family style cooking in some of those restaurants?
It could be.
My guess is family style.
Show. It's like camping.
It says 23.5 inch enamel pan. Yeah, a 2-foot pan.
Huge.
It's a 2-foot pan. It's enormous.
Yeah.
So do you want me to pull it out, or I guess the picture we'll show it really good. What do you
I
think?
think we're good. It's ready to be shipped right there.
Yeah. So I'll show you a really good picture at the very end of the video. We're going to price everything so you know how to get it on hookedonpickin.com. But let's go ahead and open up one of these boxes. Well, that box was easy to do. I will probably do some inspecting of that item as well, just to make sure. But normally I don't have any issues from this liquidator. Okay, I see some fun things that would be perfect for Christmas time. I'm excited. All right, what is this? Junior Builder. It includes assembly instructions for 5 different models. Only one model may be built at the same time, so it's got all the pieces, but you could do a car, a helicopter, looks like that's a boat, a bulldozer, and like some kind of a 4-wheeler kind of toy. That looks cool.
Nice little kid.
That is a cool kit. What is the age? Age is 7+, 149 parts, 5 models.
Almost like an erector set almost.
And it comes with a cool case to keep everything together. So we got a bunch of those. Those are perfect. All right, what is this? Hot glue gun? It says it's a hot glue gun.
I'll open it to see.
Let's look at it.
Hopefully it is.
Yes, look at that. That's a nice one.
Boom.
It's even got an on-off switch. That's a fancy one. The hot glue gun I have is just plug it in.
Here.
Yeah, it's just a plug. Oh, it comes with.
Comes with glue.
Comes with glue. Tons of glue. Bunch of glue.
Awesome.
All right, awesome. No, awesome sauce. Is there a bunch more of those? Yay! Look at that. Crafters. I know. I'm your favorite. Here you go, crafters. You know I'm not going to make you pay $1 bazillion for this set. There you go. Glue guns galore. That is a good alliteration. Automatic pet feeder. Is this literally taking all the work out of pets? But then how will your children know how to do chores? Did you feed the dog today? Did you feed the cat? Did you feed the pet gorilla? I secretly want a pet gorilla. All right. Oh, look at that. Let's take the whole thing out. Hold on.
Something you have to assemble. Look at that.
It sits like this. I think. Maybe?
Here, just
or like
show
this.
The front control for a bit. Look at that.
We'll show you a better picture. But it it's just automatic. You put the feet in the top and it holds a whole bunch.
It's got a timer that can be released.
Charging cable. It's got, you could do battery operated or charging cable. It's got an on-off switch on the bottom.
Cool.
Yeah, it just snaps on, it looks like. Slides down and snaps on, which I don't want to snap it on because I'll probably never be able to get it unsnapped to get it back in the box. But yeah, you can see the whole controls and the dispenser and everything right there.
Yeah.
So, cool. Yeah, that is cool.
Might be really handy for a
Absolutely.
Pet owner. Especially if you have to go to work and you want your pet to eat at a certain time.
Yeah. Or you're trying to do portion control for your pet diets. All right, so we've got 3 of those because there were 2 more in this box. So 2 more there. So I'm just going to move this box down here. So we got a pet feeder, got kind of an erector set, hot glue gun, giant pan. Okay. Then we're going to do this one. This looks like it's been dinged. So I'm just hoping maybe it's indented because it was empty on that corner. Hope it didn't destroy whatever was on that corner. Okay. Yeah, this is where all the bubble wrap was.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty good so far. We'll see. Ooh. We always sell blankets. This is a plush purple blanket, 60 inches by 70 inches. It's like one of those fleece ones. So deep, deep purple. Got a couple of those. What in the ukulele?
Look at that. Learn to play the ukulele.
That's awesome. So water resistant, durable, easy to clean, ABS composite plastic, nickel plated open gear tuners. And then it says Aquila Super Nylagut strings. Everything you need to start playing. So it has free online lessons, a mini quick start guide, free tuning app, custom logo tote bag, and watermelon soprano ukulele inside this. That's awesome. Do we have more than one? 1, 2 ukuleles, 3 ukuleles, 4 ukuleles, 5 ukuleles. I just like to say the word ukulele. All right. Then we shall work out with our plate bar. So we've got like a women's plate bar. Does all these different things. Resistance band. And it's got a big long pole and a whole bunch of stuff. So, awesome sauce.
That'll sell immediately after the New Year's.
Yes. See? You'll look just like them if you get this bar.
All you gotta do is purchase it. That's
right? And then you'll immediately look like them. So we got 3 of those. My tower of ukuleles almost fell over. There we go. All right. Now let's get to this other box. Excuse me, muscle-bound people. We're just gonna... All right. This is a little bit smaller box. Ugh, there we go. Yay! I was really hoping to get more of these. Is this whole box full of them? Is that it? Let me look, make sure. So far, that's all I see is just a box full of these, which would be amazing. Because I was really hoping, I was like, 3 of them. I really wanted to have more than 3 because I know these are going to be really popular. Yep. I've got like 15 of them or something like that. So that's awesome. We're going to go ahead and go over to the computer. We'll show you exactly how much we're going to price each and every one of these items. All right, everybody, we're here on hookedonpickin.com, and we have all of our newest items listed. So check them out. If you're wanting to just shop them in the categories, they usually populate at the end, the last page of the category, since it's a new item. So we put it at the end, so you get to see some of the stuff that's been on there for a while, and then our new stuff is at the end. So, but I'm going to show you exactly what they're called, and if you want, you can always use this search bar and type in anything you want, such as blanket. For the newest purple blanket we just put on there. You type in blanket and look at that, right there it is. All right, so let's go ahead and see what exactly is on hookedonpickin.com. So we have our beautiful ukulele, Waterman Soprano Ukulele Bundle. It comes with everything you see there, as well as online free lessons and all that fun stuff that I read on the box earlier. $39.99 for those, and we just have a few, and it comes with a case as well. Then we have the automatic pet feeder. It is 6 liters. You can use it for a cat or a dog. It's got a voice recorder and programmable timer. $64.99. This just streamlines your life. So you can dump all of the food in the top, and then it gets dispensed exactly how you want and the settings exactly how you want. So you can set it up to work exactly with all these different options. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, fourth meal, you can put it on a timer, you can do it manually, all sorts of things. So $64.99 for that pet feeder. Then we have a 149-piece creative DIY STEM construction toy for boys and girls. So you get to make these 5 different creations. You can only create one at a time, but it comes with 149 items. Does come with a cool clear carry case so you don't lose anything. $19.99 for those, ages 7+. Then we have the hot glue guns. We used to have these in stock. We sold out, and now we got more. You got 18 different glue sticks that come with the glue gun, brand new. Nice on-off switch on the side. $14.99 for the glue gun. Then we have the home gym bar kit with resistance bands, $34.99. Comes with everything you see there, and you can do multiple different exercises, 60 to 180 pound adjustable Pilates bar system. It's safe and easy to use and doesn't take up hardly any space, $34.99. Then we have our purple throw blankets, 60 inches by 70 inches. Really, really soft purple on both sides. You can use it as a throw blanket, throw it on your bed, any of those things. Sherpa lined on one side, so really, really nice. You can lay it both ways. $19.99 for that. We only have 2 available. Then we have our huge giant pan. This would be useful for any and all things. So you ever feel like your saucepan is not quite big enough for the amount of food you want to make? Well, here you go. This one is 23.5 inches across, and so basically almost 2 feet across. $39.99. When looking online, these were around the $80 mark. So $39.99 is a steal for this. So make sure you check out this really nice enameled steel pan. It is brand new, still in box and in perfect condition. So that is the items we stuck on hookedonpickin.com. So make sure you check that out. You can get 10% off if you sign up for our SMS text messaging, where I put out notifications on fire sales, on live videos, and also on any discounts that we'll be getting just to our text messaging friends. So check that out on hookedonpickin.com. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.